Hi you guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Dr. Ryan Dawson, coming to you from the top of West Hollywood. My practice is just down the street. You can see this is Santa Monica Boulevard right there. It's an absolutely beautiful day outside. And I just wanted to take a minute to share it with you and let you know that you matter and I care about you, and I want to invite you along to something that I feel like is going to be one of the best things that you can do for your life. It's going to be next Sunday, Flow State, at Griffith Park. It's a free class. How many times have you been offered something free that's going to change your life? I want to help you be a little bit better version of you. Tapping into our higher awareness, our higher level of self. Now, we've always known that exercise and nutrition and meditation is good for us. But I think after this pandemic and everything that's been going on, we know with certain in our heart that the most important thing is our mental health and our mental well-being. See, we're aligning ourselves with the natural order of things, the natural ways of the universe. Tapping into our health is our natural state. It's not until we've had some kind of dysfunction or dis-ease that throws us out and causes a dysregulation in our DNA and mutations, and unhealthy habits lead to unhealthy epigenetics. So if we get our bodies moving and we start being more proactive about who we are and who we want to be, not only are we going to feel better, but we're going to be better. And we can be better, we can have more control of what we want to do, who we want to be, and how we want to influence the world, and how we want to take over this thing and turn it into something great. So you guys, let's work together on this. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. I want to invite you all along. We're going to be here. We're not going anywhere. Flow State is taking it, and we're combining with other like-minded companies and programs and teachers and healers and people and lovers of all types to help create a better and just a more enjoyable day for ourselves and for our life. It doesn't matter if you want a big house or a lot of money, or you don't want anything at all. But if you want to be at peace, you want to be happy, you want the people around you to feel that way as well, we have to have daily practices that's going to help push ourselves to be the best version of ourselves. It's impossible to feel the best and be the best without dedicating your life to it. So that's what we're doing here, you guys. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful week. It's Monday, but at the end of this week, we got Flow State coming back. It's going to be our first class after COVID. Last time we had to kind of push it back because of the air quality. And so we're back. The skies are clear. We're going to be soaring to new heights, pushing ourselves to new levels, training hard so that whenever hard things come, they're easy. We make it our training hard so that when we go out there and we face the hard things, because we know they're coming, we know no one's coming to save us. So we do a training and we step in to the batter's box, ready to hit that curveball out of the park.